Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Mathematics with Dr. SR. In today's video, I'll discuss the subjective part of your mid exam. Here, I'll guide you through solving a specific problem related to percentage. The word percent means per hundred. A percent is a fraction with 100 as a denominator in each case. The symbol percent is used to indicate a percent. And to solve the percentage word problem, you will need to make a few strategic replacement. और वो replacement क्या होंगी? आपको percent what of is होगा, उसको आपने replace करना होगा mathematical expression से. You need to replace percent with 1 upon 100, what with x, of with multiplication sign, is with equal sign. And with the help of these replacement and with the given information, we will try to solve a word percentage problem. In your mid-exam, there was third problem. On the exam consisting of 80 questions, Laiba answered 85% of her 60 questions correctly. What percent of other 20 questions does she need to answer correctly for her grade on exam to be 80%? Below we are given 4 options. So, with the help of given information and using those replacement, we will try to find out the right option. So, the first given information is on exam consisting of 80 questions. What does it mean? The total number of questions are 80. The next, Laiba answered 85% of 60 questions correctly. This means Laiba answered correctly 85% of 60. Now we will use here those replacement. We will use the mathematical expression and we will solve it. And in this way, we will end up with the 51. This means she answered correctly for the first 60 questions, 51. So what is given next? What percent of the other 20 questions does she need answer correctly? So this means this is the question that is required information. And what else is given? For her grade on exam to be 80%. So here it is a condition that she must need to score 80% on her exam. And now we need to find out with the help of this condition that her grade on exam should be 80%. This means first of all we will find out that what is 80% of 80, because she must need to score 80% in her exam. So with the replacement, we will find x equal to 64. So in total, what she need? Laiba required 64 correct answer to score 80% in her exam, and we know that she has answered correctly to 51 questions already for the first 60 questions. This implies she needs more correct answers. 64 minus 51, that would be 13 out of the remaining 20 questions. But what was the question? Question was about the percentage, that what percentage she need to answer correctly for the remaining 20 questions. So we will convert this 13 into the percentage like this equation. 13 is what percent of 20? Here we will use those replacement which are given on the first slide, and we will end up with the x equal to 65%. So this means she needs to answer 65% questions correctly for the remaining 20%. And you can also solve it, this equation, with this expression, because this is a fraction and we know that how we can convert the fraction into the percentage. For that we just need to multiply with the 100 and we will get back the same answer. So this means the right option would be 65%. Thank you. See you in the next video.